As you can see, the model came back from the cloud closed. So now you can use this model for printing. And yeah, you can even create a second mockup, because I just see here something that I would love to correct, so we don't let any detail of our design in a way that we don't like. So this lateral can be better in the angulation. So let's see here, if like this, even more, as you can see from the other lateral is bigger difference. We also now notice even more that the lateral is the patient's lateral, right, is in the wrong axial angulation, so there is more ortho treatment needed, or an ortho treatment would be beneficial. Let's say it would be beneficial for the final design. I think that's fine. We can now even correct a little bit the canine like this. I'm way more happier than before. And now we can go to step number 6, create a new mockup, a second version of the mockup. Now we can show the patient 2 different types of designs. That's the design with a new corrected lateral. The other one is the design with the normal axial angulation, or the axial angulation that the patient has. And so you can compare the different outcomes and possibilities based on the treatment plan. So do we want to correct the position of the teeth with ortho? Yes. Then we can design way better, and the design is not going to be limited by the initial position of the teeth. We export and we can print, we can create a mock-up and create for the patient not only the beautiful experience of a new temporary smile, to see how everything looks like when everything is aligned, with when everything is white and shiny and with new forms, but also to have a clinical analysis of the treatment plan in the next steps of the treatment.